Hi loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you are new, then hi, I'm Zina. Because of the Christmas and holiday season, I decided to show you a party hairstyle. So begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then we want to select two sections on both sides of the parting. Then you want to grab the rest of the hair and make with it a very low ponytail using a clear elastic. Make sure to loosen your crown to make it fuller and voluminous. Then you want to grab your sections, bring them backwards, tie them both together using a ribbon band, and you want to twist it 2 times. And then, holding with one hand the elastic with another one, you want to tug on the edges of the created twists. This will give a nice loosen effect of our bangs. Then you want to divide your hair into 4 sections. Basically grab first section and tie another elastic right below first one. Now you want to fan out your created kind of bubble. Then you want to grab the same created ponytail and tie one more elastic, creating a second bubble like I'm showing. If your hair is longer, you can repeat these steps over and over again until reaching the end. I will not waste your time because these steps are clear. So basically we'll have 4 looped braids like so. Now you want to pin in place every single bubble at the base of the elastic. I hope that this makes sense, but I'm showing here what I'm doing. Hide the ends sticking out, pinning them in place. Also, you can use some grips to fan out your bubbles. I decided to accessorize it as well, like so, and we are done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this holiday hairstyle. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.